Madi Sharma, class 7 mathematics. In that chapter number 6 exponents, exercise 6.2, question number 5. Simplify and write each of the following in exponent form. First of all, this first one we had given, this one we have to simplify and we have to write in exponent form only. Okay, so let us do that. Now here what we are given, first one 25 cube divided by 5 cube. So if we write 25 as 5 square, right? 5 into 5 is 25, or we can write 5 into 5 raised to cube divided by 5 cube. Okay, now this will multiply, so we can write 5 square whole cube divided by 5 cube. Okay, which is equal to 5 2 3s are 6, so 5 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 3. Now which identity we are using here, which law? So here it is a raised to m into n equal to a raised to m into n. Okay, and here we have to divide, so which law we have to use? A raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So what will get? 5 raised to 6 minus 3, which is equal to 5 raised to 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 5 raised to 3 is the answer. Now here 81 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 2, 5 into 5 raised to 3 raised to 2 whole bracket raised to 5, which is equal to, now this 81 we can find here the factor of 81, right? So 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 1s are 3 1s are, oh sorry, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So how many 3s are there? 1 2 3 4. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, so which is equal to 3 raised to 4. So directly we can write here 3 raised to 4, or you can write here 9 into 9 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 2 raised to 5. See, if you don't want to write 9 into 9, you can write here 3 raised to 4 directly. Okay, the another way I am saying that 9, now 3 into 3 is 9 and 3 into 3 also 9. So 3 3s are 9, this 9 and another 9, 3 3s are 9 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 2 5, which is equal to 3 raised to 4 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 2 raised to 5. Now this one we got it directly, you can write here directly also, which is equal to 4 5s are 20 divided by 3 raised to 5 2s are 10. So which law we are using? A raised to m whole bracket n equal to a raised to m into n. So which is equal to, here which law we have to use? A raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So 3 raised to 20 minus 10. So it is equal to 3 raised to 20 minus 10 is 10. Okay. So 3 raised to 10 is the answer. Third one, 9 raised to 8 into x raised to 2 raised to 5 upon 27 raised to 4 into x raised to 3 raised to 2. So here we can write 3 into 3 raised to 8 multiply by x raised to 2 5s are 10 upon this 27, we can LCM it, prime factor. So 27, 3 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So how many 3 are there? 3 raised to 3. Okay, then upon 3 raised to 3 raised to 4 into 3 2s are x raised to 6. So which law we are using? n equal to a raised to m into n. So which is equal to 3 raised to 2 raised to 8 into x raised to 10 upon 3 raised to 4 3 4s are 12. Here it is multiplication, this only in division, so we can minus here x, right, because it is in division. A raised to m upon a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So 10 minus 6, so which is equal to 3 to the 8 to the 16, so 3 raised to 16 upon 3 raised to 12 multiply by x raised to what it is, 10 minus 6 is 4. Now this also we can minus it because division, so 3 raised to 16 minus 12 x raised to 4, which is equal to 3 raised to 16 minus 12 is 4 x raised to 4. So answer is 3 raised to 4 x raised to 4. Now power is common, so we can multiply it. So 3x raised to 4. Okay. Now fourth one. Now 3 raised to 2 into 7 raised to 8 into 13 raised to 6 upon 21 raised to 2 into 91 raised to 3. Now what we have to do? First of all, 3 raised to 2 as it is, multiply by 7 raised to 8 as it is, into 13 raised to 6 as it is. Now this 21 we can just find out the prime factorization, that 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are. Okay, so 3 raised to 1 into 7 raised to 1. So what we can write here, instead of 21, 3 into 7 square multiply 91, we have to do 91. So with whom we can divide it, with with 7 13s are and 13 1s are, so 7 into 13, so we can write 7 into 13 raised to 3, so which is equal to 3 raised to 2 multiply by 7 raised to 8 multiply by 13 raised to 16. Now we'll just open this bracket. So 3 raised to 2 multiply by 7 raised to 2 multiply by 7 raised to 3 into 13 raised to 3. Okay, now it is in division, so we can cancel here only, no need to subtract it. Okay, so 3a raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n, so which is equal to 7 raised to 8 minus 2 minus 3 multiply by 13 raised to 6 minus 3. Okay, here also in division, here we had written, that's okay. So 7 raised to 8 minus 2 is 6 and 6 minus 3 is 3 multiply by 13 raised to 6 minus 3 is 3. So what we can write, 7 in the bracket, 7 into 13, power is common, so common here, so which is equal to 7 into 13 is 91. 3 is the answer. Now in question 6 we have to just written that we have to simplify it. So 3 raised to 5 raised to 11 into 3 raised to 15 raised to 4 minus 3 raised to 5 raised to 18 into 3 raised to 5 raised to 5. Okay, now we have to, what we have to do, first of all we'll just multiply this, so which is equal to 3 raised to 5 into 11 is 55 multiply by 3 raised to 15 into 4, 4 5s are 20, 4 1s are 4, 5 6, so 60, then minus 3 raised to 5 into 18, so 18 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5, 90 multiply by 3 raised to 5 5s are 25, which is equal to, here which law we had used, a raised to m into n equal to a raised to m into n. Now last we have given in multiplication, so we will plus it. So which law we have to use, a raised to m multiply by a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n, so we have to plus it. So 55 plus 60 minus 3 raised to 9 plus 25, which is equal to 3 raised to, what we will get, 55 plus 60 is 5 and 6 plus 5 is 11 minus 3 raised to 5 and 9 plus 2 is 11. So 3 raised to 5 and 115 and 3 raised to 115, which is 0. 3 raised to 115 minus 3 raised to 115, so equal to 0. Now question number 7, find the value of n in each of the following. Now we had given this raised to, okay, here 2n is there, 5 raised to 2n into 5 raised to 3 equal to 5 raised to 11. So this n we have to find out. So let us do it. So yeah, question is 2 raised to 2n, 5 raised to 2n into 5 raised to 3 equal to 5 raised to 11. Okay, then what we can write, first we have to plus it. So 5 raised to 2n plus 3 equal to 5 raised to 11. Which law we are using? A raised to n into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So therefore 5 raised to 2n plus 3 equal to 5 raised to 11. Therefore this base, if the base are same, so we can write the power as directly 2n plus 3 equal to 11 if the base are same. So 3 equal to 11, 2n equal to, this 3 will come over here, so minus 3. So therefore 2n equal to 11 minus 3 is 8 and n equal to 8 upon 2. This 2 will come in division. So 2 ones are 2, 4s are. So therefore n equal to 4 is the answer. Okay. Second one, 9 into 2 raised to n equal to 3 raised to 7. Now 9 we can write 3 into 3, right? Multiply by 3 raised to n equal to 3 raised to 7. This 3 into 3 we can write 3 raised to 2 multiply by 3 raised to n equal to 3 raised to 7. Now we can plus it, 3 raised to 2 plus n equal to 3 raised to 7. Which law we are using? 3 raised to n into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So therefore 2 plus n equal, if the base are same, so you can write the power as it is, and n equal to 7 minus 2. So therefore n equal to 5. So 5 is the answer. Third one, 8 into 2 raised to n plus 2 equal to 32. Now this we have to convert into exponent, means power. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, multiply by 2 raised to n plus 2 equal to 32. So prime factorization, 2, 2 1s are 2, and 6 are 12, 2 8s are 2 into 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 raised to 5. Okay. Now here what we'll write, 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 3 multiply by 2 raised to n plus 2 equal to 2 raised to 5. So 2 raised to 3 plus n plus 2 equal to 2 raised to 5. So 2 raised to 3 plus 2 n plus 5 equal to 2 raised to 5. Now power are same, so we can write directly n plus 5 equal to 5. So n equal to 5 minus 5. Therefore n equal to 0. So third one answer is 0. Now let us see the fourth one. Fourth one given is 7 raised to 2n plus 1 divided by 49 equal to 7 raised to 3. Now this one also we have to convert this 49 into 7, right? So 7 raised to 2n plus 1 divided by 7 raised to 7 into 7. Okay, 7 7s are 49. 7 raised to 3. 7 raised to 2n plus 1 divided by 7 raised to 2 equal to 7 raised to 3. Now this one, it is in division, so we have to minus it. So what we will do, 7 2n plus 1 minus 2 equal to 7 raised to 3. Which one what we are using here? A raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Now this one we had minus, so minus plus minus 1 minus 2. So what will come? Minus 1, so 2n minus 1 is the answer here. Therefore 7 raised to 2n minus 1 equal to 7 raised to 3. Therefore 2n minus 1, base are same, so directly power we can write. So 2n equal to 3 plus 1. So 2n equal to what? 4. So n equal to 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. The n equal to 2. So n equal to 2 is the answer. Now fifth one, all the base are same. First of all, this multiplication. So 3 by 2 we can plus it power. So 4 plus 5 and 3 by 2 2n plus 1. So 3 by 2, 4 plus 5 is 9 equal to 3 by 2 2n plus 1. Therefore directly we can write the power because base are same. So 9 equal to 2n plus 1. Therefore 9 minus 1 equal to 2n. So 9 minus 1 is 8 equal to 2n. So 8 upon 2 equal to n. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Therefore 4 equal to n. Therefore n equal to 4 is the answer. Now sixth one. Now see the question. 2 by 3 raised to 10 into 2 or 3 by 2 raised to 2 raised to 5 equal to 2 by 3 2n minus 2. Now what we have to do first we'll multiply this. Okay, so 2 raised to 10 upon 3 raised to 10. This I had written separately because if a raised to m is there, here the log a upon b raised to m, so we can write a raised to m and b raised to m. Same way I had written here. Now multiply by 3 raised upon 2, 5 2s are 10 equal to 2 upon 3 2n minus 2 as it is. Okay, now this one also I am using this law same way. So 2 raised to n upon 3 raised to n 10 multiply by 3 raised to 10 upon 2 raised to 10. Now here we can cancel it, right? This 2 raised to 10 2 raised to 10 cancel. This 3 raised to 10 3 raised to 10 cancel. Or you can use the division method that you can minus it. 2 raised to 10 minus 10 is 0. So answer is 1 only. So 2 upon 3 2n minus 2. So answer is here 1 equal to 2 upon 3 2n minus 2. Now instead of 1, if I will write 2n minus 3 raised to 0 equal to 2 by 3 2n minus 2. Now instead of 1, if I will write 2 by 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1 only. Okay, so there is no difference between this. So 2 by 3 raised to 0 I can write it down. So instead of 1 I am writing 2 by 3 raised to 0. Now base are same. Okay, for making the base same, that's why I had written 2 by 3 raised to 0. So base are same, so we can write 2n minus 2 equal to 0. So 2n minus 2, here 0 it is there, 0. Okay, so here 2 I will take, so 2 will become positive. So 2 by 2 equal to n. So 2 1s are, so 1 equal to n. Therefore n equal to 1 is the answer. Now eighth one. This 9 raised to n into 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to n minus 77 raised to n upon 3 raised to 3 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 3 equal to 1 upon 27. Find the value of n. We have to find the value of n here. Now this one we can write 9 as 3 into 3 raised to n into 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to n minus this 27 we can write 3 into 3 9 and 9 into 3 27 upon 3 5s are 15 multiply by 2 raised to 3 equal to 1 upon 27 we can write 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, now 3 raised to 2 because 1 2 is that 3 raised to 2 n into 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to n minus 1 2 3 so 3 raised to 3 raised to n upon 3 raised to 15 into 2 raised to 3 equal to 1 upon 3 raised to 3. Therefore, here 2n 3 raised to 2n into 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to n minus 3 raised to 3 into n is 3n upon 3 raised to 15 into 2 raised to 3 equal to 1 upon 3 raised to 3. Now we can minus it. First of all, we'll do this power in multiplication, so we'll plus it. 2n plus 2 plus n minus this minus after minus 3n as it is upon 3 raised to 15 will goes over here and 2 raised to 3 as it is. So 3 raised to 15 I am taking here in multiplication 3 raised to 3. So therefore 3 raised to 2n plus n is 3n plus 2 minus 3 raised to 3n upon 2 raised to 3. This is in division, so we'll minus it. 3 raised to 15 minus 3. Now therefore 3 raised to n plus 2 minus 3 raised to n upon 2 raised to 3 as it is minus 3 raised to 3n upon 2 raised to 3 equal to 3 raised to 15 minus 3 is 12. Now here we can make 3 raised to 2n as common. Okay, so if 3 raised to 3n is common, so 3 raised to 2 as it is minus 1 because here nothing, so 1 upon 2 raised to 3 equal to 3 raised to 12. Now therefore 3 raised to 3n 3 raised to 2 means 9 minus 1 upon 2 raised to 3 equal to 3 raised to 12. Therefore 3 raised to 3n 9 minus 1 is 8 upon 3 raised to 3 equal to 3 raised to 12. Now this 8 we can write 2 raised to 3 because 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 raised to 3 only. So 3 raised to 3n into 2 raised to 3 upon 2 raised to 3 equal to 3 raised to 12. Now 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 cancel. So therefore 3 raised to 3n equal to 3 raised to 12. So therefore this base are same. So we can write 3n equal to 12. Therefore n equal to 12 upon 3. So 3 1s are 3 4s are. Therefore n equal to 4 is the answer. Thank you for watching this video.